Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. In this video I am going to show you how to make a single designer silk thread bangle. I have taken 4 bangles here. Take a bangle and apply a glue on it. Paste pink color and wrap it. On a bangle, take equal measure of 4 and we are going to wrap 4 colors here. Wrap the thread till you marked. Measure. Now after wrapping, apply glue and paste it at the end cut. Now again apply glue and paste blue color thread and wrap it till you marked. Almost wrapped. Apply glue at the end and cut it. And paste it. Again apply glue and paste green color thread now. Now wrap it tightly till you marked. After wrapping, mark using another bangle. Now apply glue at the end and paste it, and now cut at the end. Now the last part, apply glue and paste golden color and wrap it tightly at the end. Now wrap the golden color, apply a glue at the end and cut at the end and paste it. Apply glue at the golden color and wrap it all over the golden color. In golden color I am using pink color thread here. Cut at the, apply glue at the end and cut at the end. Now on the pink color I am using golden color thread. Apply glue and wrap it all over the pink color. Now cut at the end, apply glue and paste it. Now take another bangle, apply glue at the green color and we are going to wrap it golden color on the green color. Now after wrapping, cut at the end and paste it. Apply glue on the golden color. Now we are going to paste green color here. Wrap it till the end of golden color. Now after wrapping, cut at the end, apply glue and paste it. Now take out a third bangle, apply glue on the green color. I have taken here pink color thread for green color. Wrap it till the end of green color. Wrap it tightly. At the end, cut it, apply glue and paste it. Now on the pink color thread, apply glue and paste green color thread. Wrap it all over the pink color till at the end. after wrapping, cut at the end and apply glue and paste it. Take a fourth bangle, apply glue on blue color and pasting green color thread on the blue color thread. Wrap it all over the blue color. Now at the end, cut it, apply glue and paste it. Again on the other side, on a green color thread I am pasting blue color. Apply glue and paste it and wrap all over the green color. At the end, cut it, apply glue and paste. Now 4 bangles ready. Now we are going to paste these 4 bangles together. Apply glue at the corner of a bangle. Take another bangle and paste it together. Now again another bangle, apply glue at the corner. Paste together. Now last bangle, apply glue at the corner. And now we are going to paste this bangle together, the already pasted bangle. We pasted 4 bangles together. Now apply glue at center of the bangle and wrap pink color. We are going to wrap it apply glue, paste it and cut at the end and cut at the end. Now similarly on the other side, opposite to that wrapped thread side, apply glue and wrap pink color similarly. Till you measured. And now wrapped. Now cut at the end. Apply glue and paste it. Now at the pink color wrapped, apply glue at the center and I am going to paste the designer material at the center. Similarly on the other side, apply glue at the center. Now paste the designer material at the center. And now at the designer material center, I am going to paste a stone. White color stone. Now at the corner, apply glue and paste white color stone chain. At the end, cut and paste it. Again on the other side, apply glue and paste white color stone chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Now similarly on the other side of pink color, paste stone chain, cut at the end and paste it. On the other side, similarly paste stone chain, cut at the end and paste it. Now at the center of first bangle, apply glue and paste stone chain, cut at the end and paste it. In the second bangle at the center, apply glue and paste white color pearl chain. On the next center, apply glue and paste white color stone chain. Cut at the end. Similarly on the other side, apply glue at the first bangle and paste pearl chain. Cut at the end and paste it. On the Next bangle, paste white color stone chain, cut at the end and paste it. At the last, paste white color pearl chain, cut at the end and paste it. Now the bangle is ready now. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.